Good sex life is key to a long...
American gangs, the Asian ones, don't compare to the triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Ray. Much more careful.
What do you think of fried seahorse?
What's it do?
What? Can I help you? Here you go.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
Look, it's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pole up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. If we boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think of you, May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jackie. What's all the crap in the back?
The haul from my last score, baby.
Hall.
Put on this mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running. Come and get me!
Oh yeah, get him! Get him, that's right! There's more of them! How you like that? How you like that? Watch, you should be in the warehouse, man. Shit, we're taking off with the goods! Go, 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 man! Don't let him get away, man! Whoa! Faster, man!
就像是生命被解开，就像是奇迹被等来，提示的声音一直都在，加油的声音。在忍耐，再一次试着去做，不要停下来，再坚持一段。
I thought you said this was gonna be easy.
再一次试着去做，不要停下来。
Oh shit!
就这样生命被解开，就这样沉睡。
Hurry up, man! They're getting away!
远处的鲜花一直盛开，终点的欢呼声都在等待，有没有发现？
Whoa!
总是在想要放弃，快
That's them! Get them! Get them! Get them!
有没有发现？它出现，总是在想要放弃，快失去之间。
Run them off the road! Ah! Again! Hit him! Hit him, man! We did it, man! We did it! Hang on, I'll go get the watches.
说的奇迹，说来就来，只要再一次，再一次别停下来。
We got him!
总是在想要放弃快失去之前，有没有发现？
Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! Great Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive! Wait, drive! Oh shit! Where'd they come from?
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. We're clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. Those cops suck!
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole, public guy, but he has friends in high places.
Hey, he's a piece of shit. Don't be afraid of him.
Man, wait, you just got back. Get to know who's who before you start talking about bosses that way.
Listen, Jack. Comes a time you gotta stand up to guys like that no matter who's backing them. What caused the bad blood?
Don't know. They used to be tight, though. Hard to believe Dog Eyes would turn on a friend like that.
Yup.
So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take you from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. So Nola.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here. Take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time.